Hey guys, so today I'm going to be showing you the Field of Trucks for Sign Up Series number 1. So, the first 3 trucks out of 7, I'm going to add another truck. Hold on. Scooby-Doo. Okay. Out of 8 are revised version of Wildflower, a debuting truck, because I got it yesterday. My favorite truck, El Toro Loco Ice, Nitro Neon Zombie, and other debuting truck. And then this truck is reserved, Monster Husky. Monster Jam Collector is driving this truck, so you cannot pick it. And another truck we have, another 4 trucks, I'll just put 4 on the screen. The other 4 trucks are Iron Outlaw, debuting truck, Dalmatian, Scooby-Doo, and you also cannot pick the Danger Divas truck because my sister's going to be in that one, and my brother is going to be inside of the Scooby-Doo, so yeah, and I'm also going to be in the Iron Outlaw. So basically the trucks that you can pick from are these 4, and then I'll add a couple other trucks because I have like 6 subscribers, so in case they want to join, I'm going to add Max D and El Toro Loco to the mix. So this is the Retro Rebels, El Toro Loco, and Max D. So yeah, that's pretty much all the trucks you can pick. See ya. Peace out. This is from Monster Jam. Very nice.